my home project is going to be the kitchen, desk, office area. So the house was built in I think 2007, and it's kind of an older thing where they have like desks or something inside of the kitchen. And I googled it and I was like, I don't know what people really use this for. I'm gonna start doing with the desk today, and I'm really excited about it. So let me show you guys what I got. So first things first is I got this file folder frame. I think that this was like $10, but there's a cabinet at the bottom of the desk. You found paper clips? There's a cabinet at the bottom of the desk which just has like stuff that the previous homeowners left for us, which was really nice. It has like all the appliances and like the manuals and stuff, which was cool. But I want to turn it into a filing drawer, filing cabinet. Austin was asking me for a paper the other day and I was like, I have no idea where it is. So this is hopefully going to help with that. So that was, yeah, I want to say around like $10, and then some hanging file folders in different colors. I looked for some that were cuter, but these were the best ones that I could find. There's 25 of them, assorted colors, letter size, and then it should come with the, yeah, tabs and insert cards. So got those. And then for the drawer, I got these interlocking 8-pin tack in black that can hold like paper clips, pens, highlighters, sticky notes, stuff like that. So yeah, and then I got some Lego pads because we used to have like a big one, but we ran out of paper, so I got those. I got some highlighters. Bentley is holding some rubber bands and some of the, a whiteout thing, just like office. I got some paper clips, some invisible tape. I figured that would be good for when we start like wrapping presents. And I got these little like marker things. So I think that's it. I thought that I got binder clips too, but Bentley might have taken those, so I'm sure we will find them soon. But yeah, so I'm gonna kind of start going through it and cleaning it out, getting rid of whatever we don't need. Oh yeah, I know, it's exciting, but I will show you guys the before right now. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. I'm sorry the dishwasher is going right now. I hope it's not too loud. But yeah, it's just like this little desk, and then there's some cabinets above. So in these cabinets right now, I tried to organize it as best as I could. Like there's like little labels, which is just like sticky notes, but it has like blue stuff, which is like doggy bags, an extra leash, his brush, some medical stuff, tools, and here we have like our Dayquil, Advil, and then we just have like random stuff. But yeah, so I want to get all matching containers, and then probably some that are more up top that hide like our Ring doorbell and just like the boxes of things. But then I want like clear containers down here, and I just couldn't find anywhere. I was looking yesterday. And then down here is like the desk area, so it's basically just like they said, a landing station. It's like right when we come in, this is where we kind of like drop stuff. So it's like our mail's here, my contacts that I ordered, just like random stuff. And then down in this drawer, just once again like random things. Oh, thanks Bentley. Oh, I told you I got binder clips and that he had them. So yeah, just random stuff there. This has been like my drawer where I just put like random things or just papers. This one, I'm not even sure what's in it. More random stuff. And then this is the one that I want to turn into a filing cabinet. This is the envelope that the previous owners left for us, which is really nice. So I'll keep that in there, but I am going to make it into a filing cabinet. So I'm excited. You ready to organize, Bentley? All right, let's get started. Okay, so all of these folders are what was in my backpack as like my filing system. I just finished doing the, what? You wanna sit? You wanna sit right here? So anyways, I'm gonna go through and label them. I thought I had a black Sharpie, but I don't. I just have a black pen. So I'm just gonna go through and label those. Yesterday, and I wanted to look at their bins and baskets because I saw a few online that I think were gonna work. So these are what I picked up. I got these little small baskets that have the chalkboard paint. They're white and black because eventually Austin and I plan to paint all the cabinets white, get black hardware, and then redo the countertops. So I wanted to get something that would match that. So yeah, I got these little bins. I really like them. They're just like a wood painted with white, and then it has like this chalkboard paint. So I got 3 of these. These are gonna hold this like medical tools, all of that stuff. And then for the top shelf, I got these black bins, kind of like a weave netted, I don't know what you would call this, but yeah, they're just like plain black baskets that'll sit on the top shelf. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go through this, organize it, and then yeah, hopefully it all works out. So hi baby, I'm gonna make him breakfast real quick too, so he can do that while I do this. Huh. Okay.
I have seen that face more than a million times, like a million times. I have seen that, baby. I can treat you right and you can prove me wrong. Turn around, be gone, turn around now, baby.
So this is the final look of it. I will show you what is in the drawers next, but yeah, so I just have those 2 black bins. These are holding any boxes that we have that I don't want people to see. This just looks a lot nicer. So there's like some light bulbs, the box for a Ring doorbell, stuff like that. And then I just put some vases right here just to add a little something to the side. This just has like miscellaneous stuff, so like extra face mask, some sunglasses, whatever else. And then I just put some of our candles. Those are just ones that I haven't burned yet. I'm still waiting for one to finish. So yeah, those are just for extra candles. And then in here, I thought that I had chalk that I could write it, but I don't. So I used the one for our calendar. As you can see, there's like a little faint word right there, but yeah, I will redo those later. But yeah, so this one just has all of our medical stuff. So there's like sunscreen, aloe, some Tylenol, Advil, Band-Aids, things like that. And the middle one is for Blue, so his dog bags, an extra leash, his brushes, stuff. And then this one is home improvement. I was gonna write tools on it like I did in the last one, but it just looked a little weird, so I just did house improvement. So it just has like tools, screwdrivers, things like that. Bentley's trying to get the magnet. But yeah, so that is the cabinet. And then up top, I try to keep this as clean as possible. So this just has any mail that we have, as well as that just didn't fit in there. Some sunglasses, which I will move to the top. Those are just ones that are Austin, so I didn't know if he wanted to keep one in his car or what, so he can go through that. And then this plant, yeah, I just think it looks like so much nicer, nice and clean. Oh, Bentley just fell. And then on the inside of the drawer, I have all the organizers and then some like cards and stuff in the back. But yeah, I love the way that this looks. It just makes me feel so much better having it nice and organized and clean. And then this drawer, it just has some of our electronics and then my laptop. This eventually I'll get something for. I just didn't know what else to put in here. So I just have some electronic stuff like chargers, a battery charger, and then my laptop. And then in this one, it's not much either. It just has a couple of books, dictionary, those have some pens and stuff inside. And then the best part, excuse me Bentley, is the filing cabinet. This is, or the filing drawer. This is what it looks like right now. It just has everything nice and organized. They're all labeled Bentley, as long as he doesn't ruin it. But yeah, so that is what it looks like. So happy with it. I think it looks so good. Austin has not seen the cabinets yet, but he did really like this desk area, so just makes it so much nicer and easier to use. So I'm glad that I did this. I think in these two drawers I'll end up putting something else that's a little more functional, but yeah, we might also get like a little stool or a bench or something that can like be tucked underneath it. That's what it looks like, and I'm super happy with it. I think it looks good, and I just feel so much better actually using this space. So that was my organizing project for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you in our next one. Oh yeah, doesn't it look good? Bye.